Bismillah, my name is Farabi, and known as Farabi as the great thinker in the Western world. I am known as one of the pioneers of Islamic philosophy. My fields of philosophical interest included, but not limited to, philosophy of society and religion, philosophy of language and logic, psychology and epistemology, metaphysics, political philosophy, and ethics. I was not intrinsically a scientist, but my works incorporate astronomy, mathematics, cosmology, and physics. I have authored numerous works that have made significant contributions to the intellectual and spiritual growth of the Shia community. One of my most renowned books is The Political Writings, where I explore the ideal governance system based on justice and ethics. This book has served as a guiding light for many Shia scholars, philosophers, and thinkers. I have also written extensively on philosophy, delving into subjects such as metaphysics, ethics, and political philosophy.